Hey everyone, Framer has made connecting your social media accounts incredibly intuitive. Whether you're using built-in icon sets or custom SVG assets, the process revolves around wrapping your visuals in a linkable container to ensure a smooth, professional user experience. Step 1. Insert your social icons. We are starting with visual assets. We do this because you need a high-quality target for your users to click on. Open the Insert menu, press I, and go to the Icons category. Choose a set like Phosphor or Feather. Drag the icon, for example, Facebook or LinkedIn, onto your canvas. If you have custom branded icons, simply drag the SVG files directly from your computer onto the Framer canvas. Step 2. Wrap in a frame, the clickable secret. Now we are moving to structural setup. In Framer, some raw components or SVGs don't show the link property immediately. Wrapping them in a frame fixes this and gives you more control over the hit area. Select your icon, right-click, and choose Add Frame, or press Command plus Enter. Set the frame's width and height to fit content. This ensures the clickable area is exactly the size of your icon, preventing accidental clicks from nearby elements. Step 3. Configure the link and interaction. We are focusing on external navigation. We do this to bridge your website with your social profiles securely. With the frame selected, go to the Link section in the right-hand Properties panel. Click the plus icon. Paste your full social media URL. Ensure New tab is toggled on. This keeps your website open in the background, so you don't lose the visitor when they go to check your social feed. Now click the Preview or Play button. Hover over your icons to check the animation and click them to ensure they open the correct page in a new window. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.